Good day. I am work of art. My name is Gian Jeb Sales Edar. I am 21 years old of age and I was born at Tagbilaran City, Bohol and currently living in Colosansor, Lobok, Bohol. I am third year BSMT student. My art from I love is music and drawing. One of my favorite songs is Nude by Radiohead. It's quiet but emotionally heavy and it's feel like floating and sinking at same time. Every listen hits in a little differently. Arts in part of daily life in quiet constant way. It show up in the music of the thinking of relax, the image and colors that shape I how describe ideas and stories and I metaphors I reach from describe ideas to explain something clearly, clearly. Even I am solving practical problems. I learn creative structures, make things feel instead of dry. I am like music because I'm changed depending on who's listening. Sometimes I steady and practical, like a simple that helps you focus. Other times I'm layered and emotional carries ideas, question and feeling all at once. I don't exist. The heart exists, connect to response and adapt to moment and like music. What I mean, can I shape based on mood, context, and the person experiencing its art of important my life because it's giving meaning, information, facts explain something but explores how it feel. Through music, stories, image, and design art turn into experience, making them it, to understand and remember. It's how emotion, creativity, and imagination stay present even logical, technical space in sociality arts essential because it reflects who are becoming. It documents history from human points of views, challenge injustice and and creates shared experience across culture and generation movement in music. Visual arts and literature often gives people language for feeling they could express on their own, whether that's hope, grief, resistance, or joy. Arts also builds empathy. When people engage with a song, film, and painting, they step someone else's perspective even briefly. That ability to feel with other understanding and change without art, life, and function, but would fully live. I I am not just a student. I am just I am not just a student. I am a work of art. Thank you, ma'am.